Hi there, my name is Corey Luckner of First Class Medical, and in today's video, we're going to go over the unboxing of the Philips Respironics SimplyGo. First off, we're going to go over all the items that are in your box and what you should be expecting. You have a nice little Philips Respironics certificate. You will receive a Respironics SimplyGo manual, a nice little quick start guide as well, which is pretty nice. Our techs are always here to help you out as well to get your unit up and running when you receive it if you have any questions. The lithium-ion rechargeable battery, you will receive one of these or multiple depending on the package you have decided to go with. You are going to have an AC and DC power supply. This, of course, being your AC power supply. So one end going into your unit, the other end going into the wall outlet. Your DC power supply. You're going to have one end going into the unit, the other end going into the cigarette lighter in your car. You have an accessory bag. This accessory bag is going to be able to hold any other accessories you may have. If it's extra batteries, your AC/DC power supplies, you'll have that option. You'll have a shoulder strap if you wish to carry the unit over your shoulder. So you're going to have your cannula, or otherwise known as the oxygen tubing. So this is going to allow you to then get the oxygen out of the unit and into your nose. And then, of course, the Respironics SimplyGo portable oxygen concentrator. And then in another package, you're going to receive a box that looks just like this. In this box, will have your traveling cart with the telescopic handle, just like a suitcase. Folds down. And that's everything. Now that we have everything out of the package, I'd like to show you how to get your SimplyGo set up for first time use. To start off, carrying case is already on the unit, so you don't even have to worry about that. On the back here, you'll have a little Velcro. This Velcro pulled out apart. You're gonna have your cart here. I'm gonna just kind of turn it around so I can show it from the angle that the camera's facing. You'll see here the unit will just sit right on this little rack here, and then you can Velcro the unit onto the back of the cart itself. The nice part is your accessory bag is going to have that same exact setup where you're going to have the Velcro on the back here. This Velcro on the back then, when the handle is pulled up, can also sit on that cart, allowing you to travel around very easy with the accessories. You'll have your lithium-ion battery. This is rechargeable. There is a white dot here that will allow you to see if the battery's charged, this one being 50%. This is just going to go on the top of the unit here. It will slide right in. And then you don't see it here, but I can show you a little bit. But the screen will light up blue, letting you know that the power has been received to the unit. You will have the telescopic handle here. Like I said, just with this, like a suitcase, you'll just push this little button down right here, and it will go up. It can even go down halfway, and then all the way down. Now, with the cannula here, there is a cannula port right on top of the unit. We are going to put this cannula right into that spot there. Make sure it's snug. Then the other end will go into your nose. And then the last thing is you'll have the option here to be able to plug in that AC and DC power supply right on the side of that unit. One, of course, going into the wall, the other going into the cigarette lighter in the car. You can use this unit and charge the battery when plugged into the wall outlet. So if you're watching a movie, you can be watching a movie and charging your battery at the same time. But that's going to be how you do your first time setup with your Respironics SimplyGo. To power on your Respironics SimplyGo, very simple. There's a power button here. You're going to click it once, click it twice, you'll hear it beep. You're going to see the name of the unit and the manufacturer there on the screen. Blue screen lights up. Going from this side on, of course, you got your power button, which I'll show you later in the video how we're going to turn that off. You have an alarm button here. If you click this alarm, you'll be able to turn off the actual sounds, say if it's a low battery or any kind of notification it's trying to give you. If this is on, you basically set it on so that you don't hear those noises. I recommend having it off, and turning it off will then allow you to make sure that those noises are present, that if it's a low battery, you get that beep, beep, beep. If there's no cannula detecting, it beeps. I recommend having it on, or have it off so you can hear it, but if you decide you want to have it on, that button is there for you. The SimplyGo offers continuous and pulse flow. It's going to be a continuous of 2, a pulse up to a setting of 6. When you're using this unit, there's going to be 2 signs. If you have the 3 waves, which we currently have now, you are on a continuous flow. If you want to switch it to the pulse flow, just click on the M button for the mode. I'm going to click it one more time here. And you're going to have a nice little setup where you'll see the image kind of go just left or right. It's going to kind of go down, then up, then down, then up. Just kind of letting you know it's an on-demand or pulse flow. All right, so you're going to start getting that psh, psh, when you breathe in. Right now on the screen, you're going to see I've changed it to pulse. I can go from 1, as you see here as I'm clicking up to a 6. On the screen as well, in the middle, you always have that battery to show you kind of where that battery is as far as battery life. When you have the buttons over here, as you were noticing, I was pressing the plus and minus. Minus, of course, is going to bring you down in settings, plus bring you back up. There is actually another mode, and it's the sleep mode technology. So basically what this is this is going to allow you, it's beeping right now. That's my a nice little example of maybe why you want the alarm off right now. It's on, letting you know that, of course, in this case, it's just saying that it needs to be charged. So it's just letting you know it's going to always notify you, so you kind of have some warning and some time to lead up if it needs to be charged, or if the cannula, for example, is not on all the way. But the sleep mode technology is going to be on a pulse setting. This is just one of those technologies that some of these units have, where if you want to use pulse at night, you can have that option. If you need to use this unit with the sleep apnea device, you can never use it with the pulse flow. You need to have a continuous flow. But say if you do not have sleep apnea, do not use CPAP, BiPAPs, or VPAPs, you can play around with that pulse flow at night. But it's up to you. I mean, this unit, there's no reason, personally, I feel like, to really use that sleep mode technology on a pulse flow, being that it does have that continuous flow, but it's all up to you. It's your unit. So at the end of the day, when you're done using this unit, you're gonna have the power button here. Just click on it once, click on it twice, you'll hear it beep, and now the unit will power down. The dimensions of the Respironics SimplyGo are 10 inches in height, 6 inches in depth, and 11.5 inches in width. The Respironics SimplyGo is going to weigh in at just 10 pounds, making it one of the lightest continuous and pulse flow units on the market today. The unit itself is going to offer from 0.5 up to 2 liters per minute on a continuous flow, and from a 1 to a 6 on a pulse flow. When talking about these batteries, they are lithium ion, so of course they are rechargeable just like your cell phone. When plugged into a wall, you can use the unit and charge it like I was saying before. But battery life, when it comes down to the battery life, on a setting of 2 pulse flow, you will be seeing about 3 hours per battery. On 2 liters per minute continuous flow, you're going to see just under an hour of battery life. The SimplyGo is an amazing unit for those that need continuous flow and that want to have something convenient and easy to carry and travel with. With the traveling cart and a telescopic handle, you're going to be able to use and travel with it just like you would a suitcase. It's going to be one of the best units when it comes to having everything in one. If you're looking to travel, back in the day you had to take your oxygen tanks in a home concentrator to fulfill both needs. Tanks to get out, home concentrator for at night. Well, with the SimplyGo, you're going to be able to have all that in one unit. If you go on a trip, you can use this unit at night with the continuous flow. If you can use pulse flow during the day and extend that battery life, switch it over to the pulse flow. Say you're going to the beach or you're just going out with a family somewhere to save some of that battery life. You'll have the option of extra batteries as well to give you more battery life. So traveling on board a plane as well, it will be easy if you have extra batteries on all domestic flights. But the SimplyGo is just an all-around amazing unit made by Philips, and Philips is known as being a huge manufacturer in the electronics field. So when you look at the SimplyGo, you're looking at a unit that's durable and reliable and an all-around amazing unit. If you're interested to see how the SimplyGo compares to some of our other portable concentrators, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon above to be notified when we post those videos live. Also, don't forget to join our private Facebook group where you could interact and ask questions with other oxygen users like yourself. And most importantly, if you're interested in purchasing the SimplyGo or any of our other portable oxygen concentrators, make sure to give us a call on the number below. Our respiratory specialists are always here to assist you with any questions that you may have, and they're going to make sure to guide you into the best portable oxygen concentrator for your needs. You can also visit our website at www.first, and that's the number 1 ST, so that's www.firstclassmed.com to see all the different concentrators that we carry. But like I said, visit our website or call us on the number below, and we will be here to help you. Thanks for watching this video, and have a wonderful day.